DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang, we'll jump right into the next one, you see me? Shane O. The one name Roof. Or Roof. You see me I say? I check it out and see what dog I deal with. Shane O, bad artist. You see me? If you know Shane O, I know a song like Darkest Room and Millennium Gallus and Shane O. One of my favorite songs from Shane O was actually damn, I'm gonna have to find the name of it and let y'all know next time. But Shane O, bad artist, very lyrical. Yeah, like he's one of the most underrated lyrical artists in my opinion. Cause even Cartel mentioned the most lyrical, Cartel and Skilly Ben mentioned the most lyrical artists at dancehall. I think Shane O should be on that list, bro. No cap. Shane O should be on that list. Play some nice yard at night time, bro. Nice, hey.
Jada, fraternity.
Come in, Shano.
I apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. I get cold right now, my freezing ice. Now feel me nice, now feel me nice. I apologize for being nice.
Yes.
Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice.
Yes.
I get cold right now, my freezing ice. Now feel me nice. Me day up on the roof. Big fat split for me, you looking at moon. I reminisce upon the ones that mama lose. Me see friend switch up on me, but it's cool. All the girls say she love me from school. All she gone to bought the furniture no more.
Yeah.
Go up and that, even a sparks in the room.
Yeah.
Got dog no more bone, no day, so for your joke.
Yeah.
I meet them once, drop another roof. Stepping at the beast, me shake the place, I make it move. Drink my pain and strengthen up, and when the fridge is full of juice, I fist shop up with the shoes, lace it up and make it yours. Apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you can't hurt me.
Voila, man. Shano, man. Tell him, Shano, man, one of the most lyrical in the dancehall. You see me, bad artists, you know, the metaphors and the similes and the predicates. Shano, and the other is a great storyteller. Great storyteller. You see me? So don't be sleeping on Shano, bro. You gotta pull that shit up, bro. And say, I apologize for me nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. No, sir! Panga! Me agree with this. Yeah, man. That Mr. That nice guy shit is out the window, bro. You know, people, they don't think with nice people. They always trying to be nice, you know, because they know the darkness that's within, where them a hold back. They know, say, yo, if you know, they not hold control of this and this shit come out, it can come out the wrong way. But no, man, people are business, so you're not in business, man. It's business either. You see me? If they want to think that you're a monster, man, then think you're a monster, but don't take no bullshit from nobody. Don't take less than you deserve from nobody, not friends, not family, nobody. You see me? I say, get what you rightfully deserve. Make people deal with you. I call and if I deal with it, like they show them, sometimes I have to show people, say, yo, me can't be disrespectful to, you know, me can't be rude to, you know, can't tell them about, you know, clot to, you know. You see me? I me choose not to. You see me? Yeah, man, you have to make people know themselves, man. Yeah, man, gang. What run it? Shano, Roof. Yeah, man, you play too nice. People think you're soft, brother. I know, so I strength to take for be nice. Yeah, man. Shano.
Jada, fraternity.
I'm like the beat so calm and just like, hey.
I apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. I get cold right now, my freezing ice. Now feel me nice, now feel me nice. I apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you
cannot hurt me twice. No, sir.
Hurt me twice. I get cold right now, my freezing ice. Now feel me nice. Me day up on the roof. Big fat split for me, you looking at moon. I reminisce upon the ones that mama lose. Me see friend switch up on me, but it's cool. All the girls say she love me from school. All she gone to but the furniture no more. Corrupt and that, even a sparks in.
The girl will say she love me from school. All she gone to but the church furniture no more. Hey, come in, talk to them, Shay now. Come in.
I get cool right now, me freezing ice. No feel me nice. Me day up on the roof. Big fat split for me, you looking like moon. I reminisce upon the ones that mama lose. Me see friend switch up on me, but it's cool. All the girls say she love me from school. All she gone to but the furniture no more. Corrupt and that, even a sparks in the room. Maga dog no more bone.
Corrupt and that, even a spark in the room. Chain the dog. John know then deal with the dog so much the dog have left out of the dark room. Gone all the way upon the rooftop, dog. You see a human being wicked? Eh? You see a human being corrupt, bro? This man, me alone in the dark room. You in trouble the man meds not even in the dark room, me dog can't take it outside the roof. Me need to go up on this, you know. Need a spliff, a buckle, and take it to the roof. Come in, yeah?
Yeah, Sophia Joe. I mean them once to drop another roof.
Yeah.
Stepping at the beast, me shake the place and make it move.
Yes.
Make me pain and strengthen up and when the fridge full of juice.
Yes.
Stuff is strap up with the shoes, lace it up and make it use.
Yes.
Apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. Get cold right now, me freezing ice. Now feel me nice,
No.
now feel me nice. Apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. I get cool right now, me freezing ice. Now feel me nice.
Don't know, gang, get up to 20 likes, man. Get up to 30, 50 likes. Come on.
Can't broke me heart again, come in a call that pain. That when me use to solve that change. Every day me not them picture on a wall and paint. Wicked people like
can't broke me heart again. You see me? And call that pain. That when me did soft. Hey.
Can't broke me heart again, come in a call that pain. That when me use to solve that change. Every day me not them picture on a wall and paint. Wicked people like who no God now save. Them inside I hurt me change.
Yeah, nah, come in, shit now. Hey, this man meds be different. This is chronic law. Before chronic law. You see me?
Be nice, hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. Get cold right now, me freezing ice. Now feel me nice, now feel me nice. Apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. Get cool right now, me freezing ice. Now feel me nice. Can't broke me heart again, come in a call that pain. That when me use to solve that change. Every day me not them picture on a wall and paint. Wicked people like who no God now save. Them inside I hurt me change. A different me now. Me know. I apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. Get cold right now, me freezing ice. Now feel me nice, now feel me nice. I apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. I get cool right now, me freezing ice. Now feel me nice. Me day up on the roof. Big fat split for me, you looking like moon. I reminisce upon the ones that mama lose.
Yes.
Me see friend switch up on me, but it's cool. All the girls say she love me from school. All she gone to but the furniture no more. Corrupt and that, even a sparks in the room. Maga dog no more bone, no day, Sophia Joe. I mean them once to drop another roof. Stepping at the beast, me shake the place and make it move. Drink my pain and strengthen up and when the fridge full of juice.
I mean they want to drop another roof. So me jumping at the beast, shake it up and make it move. Arm to them, man. Come in. We're up, we are moving.
Strap up with the shoes, lace it up and make it use. Apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. Get cold right now, me freezing ice. Now feel me nice, now feel me nice. Apologize for being nice. Hurt me once, you cannot hurt me twice. I get cool right now, me freezing ice. Now feel me nice.
Arm to them, man. That is it. Cliche no. Rough. Yo, human being corrupt, you know, brother. We no wicked. We make Shane off left out of the dark room, go all the way up on the roof, brother. All the way up on the roof. We no make Shane go dog. Jeez and peace. And you couldn't allow the man in the dark room, make him man go and work to him thing. And in pain and in thoughts and this in there. We no, yeah, no, man. Human being corrupt, no. Yeah, man. Well, anyway, gang, we don't think about the one in the comment section. You see me, if you like it, if you want to show the artist all love and support, make you know say the dance, you know.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.